This is a test recording to see if Screencast-O-Matic will continue to work for me or not. So if you're watching this, if you are in advanced algebra, that would be my first hour, second hour, or third hour. Remember that the link for you all is www.tinyurl.com/BSSD-Gilmore ADV for advanced algebra. If you are in my Algebra 2 class, 4th, 5th, or 7th hour, your link is www.tinyurl.com/BSSD-Gilmore A2 for Algebra 2. And if you need to email me for any reason, my email is jgilmore@bssd.net. I have a feeling those 3 links are going to be incredibly important to us in the next few weeks. Maybe not, but just have a hunch. All right, that's only like a 1:20 video. Is that long enough for a testing video? If you're watching this video, you can like stop it now because I'm just gonna like babble for the next like however long. Anyone else want to make a comment on the video for posterity? No?
What?
Oh, there's one. I figured if anybody would speak up, it would be that one. So, yep.
What do you want me to say something?
I don't know. I'm just riffing over here.
Gilmore likes Diet Coke.
Mrs. Gilmore does like Diet Coke. That is true. I really, really like Dr. Pepper, but apparently Dr. Pepper has lots of calories and sugar, so...
So does diet drinks. That's how they make up for the fact.
Yeah, I really shouldn't drink soda at all. I should be drinking water, especially since my feet are currently cramping up because I exercised a little bit too much yesterday and haven't had enough water. So I'm like totally sabotaging my system right now. It's cool. It's cool. It's fine. You know,
I doubt we're not.
it's unknown.
No, I've been on that ever since
So,
2 a.m.
again, if you're still watching the video, you can totally turn it off right now because I'm really just talking about random stuff. So my husband got a new truck, and it's like a full quad cab. Like, this thing is huge. So now I see trucks drive by, and I look at them, I'm like, oh, look at that itty-bitty truck with a tiny back seat. Because now that we've got this huge truck, I'm like just totally spoiled to the huge truck. Like, I can sit comfortably in the back seat. That's a big back seat.
Let's get ready to rage, man.
All right, I think I'm going to end this video. I think 3 minutes is long enough. We'll see. I don't know.